to positive J 3.33 per unit. And the zero sequence current equaled 0, which means there was no zero sequence current. That can be expressed as 3.3 angle negative 90 degrees. Negative sequence component by negative 30 degrees, and that can be done again by multiplying the low voltage fault current with the value of 1 angle negative 30 degrees. And again, that gives A to be 1 at the angle of 120 degrees and A squared to be 1 at the angle of 240 degrees, and the positive and negative sequence components to be 501.5 amps at the angle of negative 60 and 501.5 amps at the angle of per unit. Similarly, the negative sequence voltage is the source voltage minus the voltage drop across the negative sequence impedance on the high voltage side. For the negative sequence current, we need to consider GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.